Big congratulations to 14-year-old Cerresa Jackson, who last week competed at Wimbledon on the world stage for her first Grand Slam event. Super exciting, and Cerresa, you deserve everything that you've achieved. You're such a hardworking athlete. Believe it or not, Ceresa's been getting adjusted with us since she was 3 years old. So we've been part of her development and got to watch her athletic progress. It's been extremely exciting, and we can't wait to see what she does into the future. Ceresa, massive congratulations again. I know you have got a lot more to come, and this certainly won't be your last Grand Slam event. And anyone who's got kids who are performing at a high level of athletics, sports, chiropractic is so vital for prevention of injury and performance.